Hello children. You remember last time we were using scales to have the mass of objects. You remember the boy which was at the market and the mother was buying 1 kilogram of carrots. So today we'll continue with mass, okay? The kilogram is a metric measure of mass. We are on page 91 in your maths book, okay? I repeat, the kilogram is a metric measure of mass. It can also be written as kg. It can also be written as kg. You remember this is a scale, okay? And long ago we were using these weights, not in this scale, okay, to calculate the mass of an object, okay? We were using these weights in such type of scale. Here is a type of scale that we were using long ago. For example, if you want 1 kilogram of fish, we have to put this weights here, okay, and the fish here, okay. And if the two are at the same height, okay, if the two are at the same height, that is here it is 1 kilogram, you remember. See the weights that we are using, and here are the fish, and you see that all are the same height, which means that here we have 1 kilogram of fish, okay. It is equating at 1 kilogram of fish, because long ago this type of scale was not available. Now we move on to page 92. We will not do this activity because for this activity we need interaction. We'll go through it next week when you will be at school, because we need to bring some items at school to guess whether they are more than 1 kilogram, less than 1 kilogram, or equal to 1 kilogram. This activity we will do at school next week. Now we are at this one, okay? Let's read the instructions. Make a list of products that have 1 kilogram written on the package. Make a list of products that have 1 kilogram written in the package, okay? At your place you can see on the milk powder of farmland, cowland, red cow, you will see that is written 1 kilogram on the milk powder. On sugar, on the packet of sugar, you will see that it is written 1 kilogram. On flour, which your mother used to make cakes, farata, okay, you will see that it is written 1 kilogram of flour. And on rice, a packet of rice can reach up to 1 kilogram. Others are at 5 kilogram, even 20 kilogram. But here you can see a packet of rice is also written 1 kilogram. Now let's move on page 93. Okay, here there is A, B, and C. Here also we have A, B, and C for question number 3. Here is question number 2. Let's read it together. Write down the correct mass of each item. I repeat, write down the correct mass of each item. Here it is very clear and easy. What you have to do, you just have to have a look at the pointer on the scale. Here the pointer for the basket of fruits indicate 4, and you see here it is 4 kg. Therefore the answer is 4. The basket of fruits weighed 4 kg. These two you will have to do on your own. I repeat, you just have to look at the pointer, the red pointer. Here the pointer indicates 4 for the baskets of fruit. When you put the basket of fruit on the scale, therefore you write 4 kg. You continue the pumpkin and the buckle with the red fish. Now let's move to question number 3. Show the correct mass of each item. Show the correct mass of each item. Here there is a pot of chocolate which has been placed on the scale, and it is written here 1 kilogram. I repeat, there is a pot of chocolate which is on the scale, and here you have to indicate on the scale 1 kilogram. You use your ruler, you look for the number 1 kg. Here you are, it is 1. Therefore, you use your ruler and your pencil to indicate 1 kg. Okay, 1 kg is the mass of this pot of chocolate. You continue with bocal with the fishes and also with the pumpkin. Let's move on page 94 now. Here we are dealing with some additions. Okay, complete the following. You have 34 kg plus 55 kg. 34 kg plus 55 kg. First of all, don't forget to place the digits in columns. You have the units column and the tens column. Okay, 34, the 4 in the unit column, the 3 in the tens column. For 55, you put the last 5 in the units column and the first one in the tens column. Then you carry on the addition. Don't forget you have to start with the unit column. You have 4 plus 5. Don't forget to circle the symbol so that you know what you have to do. 4 plus 5, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Just add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. When you are finished with the units column, you move to the tens column. Here you have 3, 1, 2, 3, and here you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You just add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Therefore, when 34 kg plus 55 kg, we have 89 kg. These two you will have to do on your own. Let's move to question number 5 now. A chef in a restaurant cooks 61 kg of pasta in a week. Let's read it together. A chef in a restaurant cooks 61 kg of pasta in a week. Then he cooks 24 kg of pasta the next week. What is the total mass of pasta? What is the total mass of pasta cooked during the 2 weeks? And here you can see there is a word total. You just have to add the symbol plus here. You will do the addition here. Okay, you can see that the 1 in the units column, the 6 in the tens column, the 4 in the units column, the 2 in the tens column. You put 1 in the units column, the 6 in the tens column, 4 in the units column, and 2 in the tens column. Then you carry on the addition. Don't forget to circle the symbol, plus symbol for addition. 1 plus 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's sum up together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here we have 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 85 kg. Okay. Let's move on page 95. Complete the following. We have 35 kg plus 45 kg. You have to place this 5 in the units column, the 3 in the tens column. Here also the 5 in the units column, the 4 in the tens column. Okay, let's do the addition. Don't forget to circle the plus sign. You have 5 here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You write it outside. Cut the 0. You put it here. The 1 comes here. You have in the tens column. All right. Then you have 1 here. You have 3. 1, 2, 3. You have 4 here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You just add them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. The answer is 80 kg. That these two you will have to do it on your own. Sarah weighs 48 kilogram. Michelle weighs 50 kilogram more than Sarah. Yeah, more than, you have to do addition. What is the mass of Michelle? I repeat, let's read together. Sarah weighs 48 kg. Michelle weighs 15 kg more than Sarah. What is the mass of Michelle? Sarah's weight you have been given here, it is 48. There are more for Michelle, which is 50 kilogram more. And what is the Michelle weight? You have to do the addition. Don't forget to circle the plus sign. Then you move on to the units column and the tens column. In the units column, you put 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Here you have 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's add all these together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. You put the 3 here, the 1 over there in the tens column. Okay, you put 1 here. Here you have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here you have 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here you are. The answer is 63 kg. Maintenant, nous allons passer au français, à la page 52. Vous vous rappelez, la dernière fois, on avait fait la forme négative, n'est-ce pas? Alors, je vais dire la première phrase à la page 52. Les enfants vont à la bibliothèque. Les enfants vont à la bibliothèque. La première chose à voir dans la phrase, c'est de chercher le verbe. Alors, un verbe, c'est une action. On va voir quel mot de la phrase me dit qu'il y a une action. D'accord? Les enfants vont à la bibliothèque. Le mot vont me dit que c'est une action. Les enfants, la phrase. Alors, qu'est-ce que je fais avec le ne? Je le mets devant le verbe. Et où est-ce que je mets le pas après le verbe? Voilà. Alors, ça va vous aider. On cherche le verbe. Ici, le mot, c'est vont. Le verbe, c'est vont. On va placer le ne devant le verbe et le pas après le verbe. Et vous allez voir que le verbe commence par une consonne et c'est la consonne V. Alors, on va garder le ne. Si jamais le verbe commence par une voyelle, on va mettre N apostrophe. Alia écoute la radio. Répétez après moi. Alia écoute la radio. Là, je vois que le verbe, c'est écoute. Alia. Alors là, on voit que le verbe aussi commence par une voyelle, la voyelle E accent aigu. Alors je vais placer N apostrophe avant le verbe. Et qu'est-ce que je place après le verbe, les enfants? Très bien, c'est le mot pas. Alors je vais dire Alia n'écoute pas la radio. Alia n'écoute pas la radio. Je continue avec la phrase numéro 5. Papa va en ville. Papa va en ville. Où est le verbe? Le verbe, c'est va. Et là, je vois que va commence par une consonne. Les consonnes sont B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X et Z. Je vais vous envoyer la liste tout à l'heure. Et là, je vois que le verbe commence par une consonne et je mets le mot ne devant le verbe. Et qu'est-ce que je place après le verbe? Le mot pas, très bien. Et la phrase devient papa ne va pas en ville. Papa ne va pas en ville. La phrase numéro D. Kevin aime le chocolat. Kevin aime le chocolat. Le verbe, c'est aime. Vous voyez que aime commence par A. A, c'est une voyelle. On ne peut pas mettre ne ici. On doit mettre N apostrophe. D'accord? Après le verbe, je mets pas. Alors, je vais dire papa n'aime pas le chocolat. Papa n'aime pas le chocolat. Alors, cet exercice, vous allez faire pour vous-même. Je vais vous envoyer 3 phrases que je vais écrire ici. Vous allez écrire ces phrases ici à la forme négative. Je répète, je vais vous envoyer trois phrases que je vais mettre ici. Vous allez écrire ces phrases à la forme négative, de bien observer les verbes, de chercher le verbe, le ne ou le n apostrophe est mis devant le verbe. À vous de voir si le verbe commence par une voyelle ou une consonne. Si ça commence par une voyelle, vous allez placer n apostrophe. Si ça commence par une consonne, vous allez mettre NE. Et juste après le verbe, vous allez placer le mot pas.